Hey everyone, this is David Windsor, product manager for the 9PX. We're here to talk about the No Electrician campaign, $150 rebate available in distribution. And the question we're going to try to answer here is, why does that matter? Everyone in sales seems to like the idea of, I don't know, a rebate, an instant rebate at distribution, but this is actually a promotion to talk to customers about the actual value of the 9PX. And so what we're going to do is we're going to try to see why do we care? Here we have the 9PX 6K. Like any of our UPSs, when we design the size of the UPS and the VA wattage ratings, we design them based on the input cord and the input amperage available through the breaker. And here we have a 30 amp cord. It has a 30 amp plug on it. This is an L630. And we have L630 receptacles as well. One of the great things about this unit is actually to be hardwired as well. So here we have our terminal block that's covered. But this all revolves around a 30 amp circuit. And that's actually what limits us to 6,000 VA and 5,400 watts. So when we go up against our competition, some of our competitors, specifically the new SRT model from APC, actually requires a 50 amp input breaker. So with the 9PX 6K, you have a 30 amp cord plug. It's plug and play, no electricians needed. When you go above this, the plug is going to get much bigger. It's going to become non-standard, and we're going to have to go away from a simpler design, and we're going to need an electrician to help install this, and we're going to have to use the terminal blocks by force, not by request. So we're going to see a lot of customers having issues with the competitors' models, and I think this is going to be a great time for customers to really understand what plug and play means and understand the value of our UPS. Remember, it's not just about the rebate, it's actually about the way the product works. We have real value, we can plug in, no electricians needed, very easy. If you have any questions, just let me know.